Hi, everyone, welcome back to Bayt Bucks, where I share tips and tricks to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard, a new generative AI tool from Google, to create amazing content for your online business. Google Bard is an experiment that lets you collaborate with generative AI. As a conversational AI tool, you can use Bard to brainstorm ideas with, spark your creativity, and accelerate productivity. You can interact with it through text, voice, or images, and it can even help take actions for you. To use Bard, you'll need to sign in with a Google account. You can access it on Android and iOS mobile devices. Once you sign in, you can start chatting with Bard and ask it anything you want. For example, you can ask Bard to write a catchy headline for your blog post, generate a product description for your e-commerce store, or compose an email for your subscribers. Bard is powered by generative AI, which means it can create original and relevant content based on your input. It can also pull information from the internet and present it in a concise and engaging way. Bard is not just a passive tool, but an active partner that can help you with your online business. Here are some of the benefits of using Bard for your online business. You can save time and money by outsourcing some of the content creation tasks to Bard. You don't need to hire writers or editors, or spend hours researching and writing yourself. You can improve the quality and diversity of your content by leveraging Bard's generative and reasoning capabilities. You can get fresh and unique ideas from Bard that will make your content stand out from the crowd. You can increase your traffic and conversions by using Bard's optimization features. You can ask Bard to optimize your content for SEO, readability, or emotional appeal. You can also ask Bard to generate catchy headlines, slogans, or calls to action that will attract more clicks and sales. So how do you get started with Bard? It's very simple. Just go to bard.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Then, start chatting with Bard and ask it anything you want. You can also use the Assistant with Bard overlay on your Android device to interact with Bard using voice or images. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Google Bard. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have tried Bard and what kind of content you have created with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.